exploring the wild world, animals, habitats, dinosaurs, and reptiles.
Space, planets, stars, and galaxies. Understand the wonders of the universe and how it works.
Planets, stars, so far away, shining bright night and day. Galaxies and asteroids too. Space is big and full of clues.
What's up in the sky? Have you ever wondered what's beyond the clouds? Let's blast off into space and find out. What is space?
Space is a vast place beyond Earth where there's no air and no gravity. It's filled with planets, stars, asteroids, and even black holes.
Did you know space is completely silent because there's no air for sound to travel? The solar system?
The sun is a giant ball of hot gas that gives us light and heat. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
The planets in space go round and round, round and round, round and round. The sun in the sky keeps shining bright, big and hot all day and night. Stars, galaxies, and black holes.
Stars are big balls of burning gas, and our sun is one of them. Galaxies are huge collections of stars, planets, and dust showers is called the Milky Way. Black holes are mysterious places in space where even light can't escape. Some stars explode into supernovas like giant space fireworks.
Space travel and astronauts.
Astronauts explore space using rockets and space stations. They wear special suits because there's no air to breathe.
Let us read a story. Exploring the wild world.
Liam and Zoe love animals. One day, they go on a magical adventure to learn about animals, habitats, dinosaurs, and reptiles. First, they visit the forest. Look, an owl in the tree and a deer in the grass, says Zoe. The forest is their home. Next, they splash into the ocean. Wow, dolphins and turtles swim here, says Liam. Then, they walk in the desert. It's so hot. A camel walks by, and a lizard hides under a rock, says Zoe. Suddenly, they feel cold. Brr, we are in the polar land, Liam says. A polar bear plays in the snow, and a penguin waddles on the ice. But wait, a loud roar shakes the ground. A dinosaur, shouts Zoe. Dinosaurs lived everywhere long ago. They see a big T-Rex, a flying pterodactyl, and a long-necked brachiosaurus. Dinosaurs were reptiles, just like lizards and crocodiles today. The adventure ends, and Liam and Zoe smile. Animals have different homes, but they all belong in their special habitats. The end!